I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell and then you will never miss any of my wig related videos. Today I'm bringing you a review for PinkyPromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their email blast and you will get a code for 30% off. You can also email support@PinkyPromise.com if you ever have any questions about what wigs are in stock or what colors are in stock. So today I am bringing you a brand new wig from Jon Renau for their new Smart Lace collection for 2021. This is KAYLEE and the color on this one is 12FS12 Malibu Blonde. I'll be back with more about her in just a minute. All right, let's jump in and start talking about KAYLEE. So KAYLEE is a really nice, just shoulder grazing length, wavy cut. It's just a very subtle wave, not a curl at all, but this is a new style for Jon Renau that they have just come out with, just released this November. So very, very pretty style. I will do a turn so you can see her all the way around and then we'll talk about all her specs and all that kind of stuff. So she's very, very pretty. I love this length. This is a great length. And I love how she just has this very modern wave that just gives her some texture, a little bit of movement, very pretty length. So, and pretty wave pattern. Okay, so here's my right side. The back. My left. And back to the front. So she does have this little bit shorter layer. I kind of have it blended in. That is a long bang. So if you wanted to, shorten that, I think you could definitely get some bang coverage across your forehead. This is regular synthetic fiber. This is not HD or heat-friendly fiber. So just something to note about this wig. So as far as her measurements are concerned, her bang here, as I was just talking about, is 7.75 inches. She is 12.5 inches from the crown. She has 11-inch sides, and her nape back here is 7 inches. So she's got a nice little amount of length, to have some fun with the styling and stuff like that. So really, really pretty. Okay, so cap construction wise, she has their Smart Lace front. I will show you that. It goes from here to here. So on this 12FS12, you do have they can describe it as a golden, medium golden brown base. So that's your rooting on there. So, the knots are pretty tiny. The hairline looks good. The lace on this one is slightly long. So that's something that you could customize that front if you wanted to, trim that back. And then she has a full mono top. So there's the part. I'll show you her ear tabs. Ear tabs look really, really nice. I have good coverage. This is an average sized wig. It is one of their hand-tied wigs, so I find that their hand-tied wigs tend to fit a bit smaller, so it's fitting my petite head pretty nicely. It's a little bit of extra room, in the cap, but it fits pretty good. So we'll look at the stretch on the cap whenever I pull her off. But anyway, the ear tabs look nice and everything. So really, really cute. All right, I will pop her off and we can look at her interior cap construction. Interior cap construction for KAYLEE by Jon Renau. So she has a full mono top, so you can kind of see my fingers under there. So you can see that allows you to part anywhere you want to. So if you want to part her in the middle, right, left, however you want to part her, you are able to part her wherever you would like. Then she has the Jon Renau Smart Lace front. This is just a really small little, poly strip there. And then she's got the soft felt ear tabs. That Smart Lace goes, as you can see, top of the ear tab to top of the ear tab. Then she has the soft felt ear tabs. She has a nice piece of metal in there on both ear tabs. She is fully hand tied. There's some stretch here in this middle part of the cap. And then there's stretch here on the sides. So there's like elastic on those adjusters. And then here's the Velcro adjuster. She does not have an extended nape, which I'd kind of like to see an extended nape, and then she has a soft felt strip here that, up against your nape there. So very nice. So you can see there, you could part her anywhere you'd like. The zigzag was really tight in this one, but I'll just kind of move her. You can part her anywhere on that mono top, you know, that you, oh, sorry, that was some hair in the way there. But anywhere, you know, on that mono top that you want to. So very nice. I love their hand-tied caps. It's really nice because you have the appearance of scalp, you know, all over the wig. I'll show you that when I pop her back on. So one more thing about her cap before I move on and start talking about her color is, like I said, this mono top, you know, I meant to show you this earlier, but you know, you can part it wherever you want to, and you'll have that appearance of scalp up there on the top. So you can go over, you know, to your left and do a left part, and you're always going to have that appearance, you know, under there of scalp, which is really, really nice. And another thing that's nice about the hand-tied cap is that you're going to have that scalp appearance, you know, all over the cap. So very, very nice. Very nice for styling too. So no wefting, we'll be showing it all because there's no wefting on the wig. So very, very nice. All right, so as far as this color, I've always wanted to try these California blondes. I did not know if they would work for me since I, you know, primarily wear brunettes, but so it's fun to see that this one actually does, and it's not bad. It's warm, and I think it works with my skin tone. So for you, those of you who have watched me a long time, because I do showcase a lot of brunettes, just know that this is a nice blonde, I think, for you to try. So very, very pretty. So they describe Malibu Blonde 12FS12 as medium blonde on a light golden brown nape and base with platinum highlights and golden brown roots. So very pretty. I'm going to kill the lights in just a minute so you can see it without, you know, I know that the blondes kind of glare a little bit with these, well, they just, the light reflects off of them, but I'll show it to you with the bright lights. Okay, and I'll kill the lights here, and this is what it looks like with just a little bit of light. Okay, so now we're under my patio cover. 12FS12 Malibu Blonde. Lace front. And here we are. This is shaded light. I felt like when I was standing in the sun, like it just didn't really show. I'll step in the sun. But this is a really good, I think, this really shows this color true. What I'm seeing with my eye. Here's in sun. Okay, very pretty color, this Malibu Blonde out there in the natural light. So let's talk about styling, you know, glasses and all that kind of stuff. So you can tuck her behind the ears. I don't know that I would wear her tucked because the waves, just the wave pattern itself doesn't really lend itself too well to the hair being behind the ears, but I want to tuck it so I can show you the glasses anyway. So, but if you did want to put your glasses up, I would tuck it and then put the glasses up on your head. Her layering pattern and everything, it just, I don't know. I don't feel like it works great behind the ears. It's not terrible. I mean, her density is low, so, but they're just the way the wave pattern is. It doesn't seem like a behind the ear style. However, she is very cute with a headband. So I'll show you that. I like the way the waves play with the headband. It looks really cute. So that's really cute. She has enough length to go half up, half down with her. And then I would pull down these little bang layers. Just get those right around your face. I think that looks cute. And ponytail-wise, I don't really, I'm not crazy about the way the layers look in a ponytail. I'm just going to be honest. And she does not have an extended nape, so you have to make sure you're really careful with that nape. She has the length for a pony, but you see it's kind of, I don't know, kind of a crazy looking pony. However, you can twist her and she looks cute and updo like that. So that's my preference, is just to twist her and do that instead versus a ponytail. She looks really cute like that. And then of course, you know, with the lace front and the mono top, you can just, you know, bump up this top part and things like that. Get her off the face. You could braid her, you could, you know, do all kinds of things like that, and she would be really, really cute. So very, very pretty style. Really cute. I think she's going to be a popular one for Jon Renau. So really cute. Okay, so I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending me this wig to review for you all today. There will be information below this video for purchase. And don't forget to go to the website and get that email code to save 30%. So thank you so much for watching. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.